Given the polynomial, identify the zeros, multiplicity, and the effect of the graph. We are given f of x is equal to 3x times x minus 1 to the 6th power times 5x plus 2 to the 3rd power. Remember to find zeros. This is in factored form. You set each factor equal to 0. So we're going to set 3x equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So with the first one, if I solve for x and I divide by 3, well, 0 divided by 3 is still 0. So that's my first multiplicity. My first 0 is x equals 0. For the second one, x minus 1, solve for x, you add 1 to both sides. So we get x is equal to 1. That's our second 0. The third one takes just a little bit more algebra. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. We get 5x is equal to 2, and then divide by 5. And we get x is equal to 2/5. That's the third 0. The multiplicity is the exponent in the factored form. So if you look at this first factor here, 3x, the invisible exponent here is a 1. So your multiplicity for x equals 0 is 1. For the second one, x minus 1, your exponent is 6. So the multiplicity is 6. For the third one, 2/5, your multiplicity is 3. The effect. If it is an odd multiplicity, then the graph will cross. If it is an even multiplicity, then it will bounce. So since 1 is odd, the effect is it will cross. 6 is even, it will bounce. 3 is odd, it will cross. This is how you find your zeros, the multiplicity, and the effect.